Welcome to the world of apples, one of the most popular fruits on the planet. There are over 7,500 varieties of apples, each with unique flavors and textures. Did you know? Apples belong to the rose family, and some can float on water. Apples are nutritious, low in calories and high in fiber and vitamin C. Apples have been cultivated for thousands of years, dating back to Central Asia. Across cultures, apples symbolize knowledge, temptation, and even love. Growing apples requires care, pruning, watering, and protecting against pests. Fall is harvest time when apples are picked at their peak ripeness. After harvest, apples are washed, sorted, and packaged for consumers. Apples are incredibly versatile, used in pies, sauces, salads, and even ciders. Apple picking is a beloved activity, perfect for family outings and fun. Sustainable farming helps preserve apple varieties and support local ecosystems. The top apple producers are China, the USA, and India, contributing to global supply. So next time you bite into a crisp apple, remember its incredible journey. Curious about apples? Explore recipes and nutrition to enjoy them more. Thank you for watching. Share your favorite apple experiences with us.